Hi, I'm Ronan Daly. I'm one of the founders of Centaur Fund Services. Centaur was set up in 2009 by an experienced management team that have worked together since 1997. Centaur provides fund administration, accounting and fiduciary services to alternative investment funds. Our business is growing, the market is growing, and we're helped by a trend towards outsourcing, which is being driven by ever more complex regulations and demands from fund investors who would prefer to see fund administration outsourced to professional service providers like ourselves rather than performed by fund managers themselves. At Centaur, we've come up with 9 data points which back up why institutional investors and fund managers put their faith in us. Box number 1 shows the statistic we're probably most proud of. Since our inception 11 years ago, we've had 100% client retention. We're growing our client base every day. We now have over 100 clients managing over 250 investment products that we provide services to. The 3 founders of Centaur have over 77 years of industry experience. This makes us one of the most experienced teams in the industry and also one of the most cohesive. Finally, Centaur has been approved by over 200 institutional investors. These investors and allocators do due diligence on Centaur every day, and so this is a great testament to our infrastructure and processes. We look to service hedge funds, really operating any hedge fund strategies, private equity funds, credit funds, real estate funds, infrastructure funds, fund of funds, ILS funds, family offices, really the whole spectrum of alternative investment funds. Pretty much the only funds we don't target are retail mutual funds. Centaur is a tech-enabled business. Technology is massively important to us. From day one, we took the decision to invest in industry-leading technology. This has allowed us to scale the business easily. It's also allowed us to open offices across the world in a straightforward manner. Finally, it's given us credibility with fund managers and investors from day one in our business. Centaur are problem solvers. One comment we often hear in the marketplace is that our competitors don't listen to their clients and they offer them generic cookie-cutter type solutions. At Centaur, we really listen to the specific needs of our clients and we tailor our solutions to their specific requirements. This is particularly important when you consider the sector we're in. Hedge funds and private equity funds can be quite complicated strategies and they need tailored solutions. We like to think that Centaur has a lot of advantages over our competitors. This slide draws out 3 or 4 points which we'd highlight which differentiate our business. Firstly, at Centaur, we look at the whole spectrum of alternative investment funds. So we look at hedge funds, private equity funds, real estate funds, ILS funds, etc. Many of our competitors only focus on part of that spectrum. At Centaur, we focus on the mid-market, which is often very poorly served by the large providers who don't pay any attention to it and by the small providers who can't scale into that space. Centaur truly is a transatlantic business. We also see great upside in the areas of regulatory reporting and fiduciary services. Regulations are increasing around the world and they're becoming ever more complex. Clients are reaching out to us and asking for help in dealing with these regulations, and we're pretty sure we're going to see great growth in this area over the next few years.